Hey everyone, if you want to live longer, walk faster. A landmark 2011 meta-analysis by Sutensky et al. Showed that each 0.1 meter per second increase in your walking speed causes a reduction of 13% in the risk of death, regardless of age, sex, weight, and health. Those walking faster than 1 meter per second live significantly longer than slower walkers. In other studies, faster walking speed was linked to reduced risk of heart disease and early death. So next time when you head out, pick up the pace. It's not just a walk, it's an investment in your health and life. For similar such tips, follow me on my YouTube channel, Dr. Sohail Anwar, Mind and Body.